From the first spark of fire to the inventions shaping our future, this is Epic Firsts.
Imagine a world without electricity, without lamps, not even a candle. For early humans, night meant total darkness, filled with fear and danger. Survival was a constant struggle, especially after the sun went down. Every shadow felt like a threat, and every sound was a warning. They huddled inside caves, trying to protect themselves from wild animals and freezing cold. Then one day, lightning struck the forest, igniting fires that blazed across the land. Humans watched in awe and fear as the flames grew, realizing nature's power and the danger it carried. Scientists believe early humans first encountered fire when lightning struck forests, causing massive wildfires. Watching flames dance must have been both terrifying and fascinating. It was the first spark of curiosity that lit the human imagination. Others think volcanic eruptions or sparks from stones may have been the very first source of flames. These natural events revealed the raw power hidden inside the earth itself. For humans, fire became a mysterious gift from nature. At first, fire was terrifying. It burned, it destroyed, it consumed. But slowly, humans grew curious instead of fearful. They began to wonder, could this force be used instead of feared? That question would change history forever. Early humans learned to carry burning wood from one place to another to keep the flames alive. A single spark could mean life or death for their entire group. Protecting fire became as important as protecting food. Later, they discovered how to create fire themselves, striking stones together to produce sparks. This moment was one of the greatest breakthroughs in human history. For the first time, humans could command the power of nature. For the first time, humans had control over nature. Fire was no longer an accident. It was a tool. It was the first step toward mastering their environment. The flames in their hands became the key to survival. Cooking food over fire made it softer, easier to eat, and far safer from disease. It also unlocked new flavors, changing the way humans experienced food. A simple flame turned survival into comfort. At night, fire gave warmth and light. It protected humans from predators, hiding in the darkness. Fire became their shield against the unknown world outside. Around the flames, safety replaced fear. Cooked food provided more energy. This extra nutrition helped the human brain grow larger and smarter. Without fire, human intelligence may never have reached its full potential. It literally fueled the evolution of our species. With firelight, humans painted on cave walls. They passed down stories and began the first steps of culture. These flames lit the path to art, language, and imagination. Fire unlocked the human soul, not just the body. Fire led to metalworking. It gave rise to stronger tools, sharper weapons, and the beginning of technology. Each spark pushed humanity forward to new inventions. The age of stone slowly gave way to the age of fire. Thousands of years later, fire powered steam engines and factories, fueling the Industrial Revolution. Entire nations rose and transformed because of this one discovery. Fire built the foundation of the modern world. Today, every glowing city, every home, and every machine carries the legacy of fire within it. The flames of the past are still alive in the technology we use daily. From light bulbs to engines, fire still burns in modern form. Even rockets that carry humans into space depend on the raw, explosive power of controlled fire. Without fire, we might never have reached the stars. The flames of our ancestors now power our future. And at the center of our solar system, the sun itself is a giant ball of fire, sustaining all life on Earth. The ultimate reminder of how powerful fire truly is. Every heartbeat depends on its eternal flames, from the smallest campfire to the stars above. Fire remains humanity's most powerful discovery. It connects our past, present, and future. It is the story of survival, progress, and hope. The first time humans discovered fire, it didn't just change how they lived. It changed what they would become. It was the foundation of every step forward. Without fire, there would be no civilization. After fire came the wheel, electricity, flight, and even the internet. Each first built on the last, carrying us higher into the future. Fire was the beginning of everything that followed.
If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an amazing discovery. Your support means a lot.